Hi there. Today I'm going to share with you a great new tool called Whiteboard.fi. This is a great formative assessment tool that you can use with your students. It's free and it's super easy to start. Students do not have to have a login. They can put their initials, just their first name, just so you know whose whiteboard is whose, but they don't need an email address or an account. So what you're going to do is you go to Whiteboard.fi. And as a teacher, I'm going to create a new class. Students could come in to Whiteboard.fi and they would click Join Class and they would put the code in that you will provide. So first I'll set it up as the teacher. I'm going to name the class and click Create. Now I can either share this link with my students, maybe through Google Classroom, and if they click that link, they won't have to put a code in. If not, I can share the code D5R with them and they would just go to Whiteboard.fi and put that code in. So I am on another computer and I am going to join this as if I were a student. I am going to join in as my dog Kenzie. I will do the typing for her since she doesn't have thumbs, and there she is. So Kenzie now has her own whiteboard and she can do work. As she's doing the work, I, as the teacher, can see in real time. And here I have my own whiteboard. So I can go in and let's say I want to talk about area and perimeter. So I can draw my rectangle. I can go in and put the measurements in. And we'll say this is 5. And so the kids can go in and they can see my whiteboard as well as their own. Other students can see my whiteboard as the teacher, and I will be able to see all my students' whiteboards. However, students will not be able to see each other's whiteboards. So as the student, I can come in and I can look at what my teacher's whiteboard says and then do her work on her whiteboard. 5. As the teacher, I can come in and I can see her work. I can open up her whiteboard. If there was a mistake, I could erase something. If for some reason I wanted them out of the classroom, I could kick them out, or I could just scroll down and close this, but I will be able to see all of them. As the teacher, I can come up here and in my settings, the little gear, I can hide the names if I don't want to see the names. Maybe I wanted to print them out or something. And I also have the ability to clear all whiteboards. That's essentially it. It's very simple, it's easy to set up, and it's free. If you do not close your room, they automatically close if there's been no activity for about 2 hours. So you're going to want to make sure you close your room and you're the last one out. But that's about it. You just create a new class or join a class with the code or the link. I hope you find this useful. I think it's a great formative assessment tool, and have a good one. Thanks.